As your organization grows, you will likely need help managing the platform. The Admins page allows you to delegate management by granting administrative access to other users, with granular control over exactly what they can see. To access this page, navigate to Configuration and select Admins in the Admin Portal sidebar. When your workspace was first created, the user who registered automatically became a super admin. Super admins have absolute, unrestricted access to all sections and cannot have their permissions toggled off. To add a new admin, click the blue Add Admin button in the top right corner. In the search bar, type an existing user's name or email address and select them. Then, use the toggle switches to define exactly which sections they are allowed to manage. Click Add Admin to save. The platform will immediately update their access rights, and they will see the Admin tab the next time they log in. If you need to revoke their admin portal access entirely, locate their name and click the red trash can icon on the right side of their card. Click Remove Admin to confirm. It is important to note that removing an admin from this page only revokes their access to the admin portal. It does not delete their actual user account or their training records. If an administrator changes roles, you can easily modify their access at any time by simply flipping the toggles next to their name in the list.